Hello everyone, in this video I will show you Tome AI tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome and search for Tome AI. Tome AI is a generative storytelling tool designed to create visually engaging and interactive presentations, stories, and other content using artificial intelligence. It leverages natural language processing and machine learning to generate narratives and other else. Users can input text, prompts, or ideas, and Tome AI will generate coherent and contextually relevant content, including text and the like. The platform allows for the inclusion of interactive elements like videos, hyperlinks, and others to enhance storytelling and audience engagement. Now click on Request a Demo. Once on the demo page, click on Start to begin the demo process. Fill out the required fields with your first name, last name, company name, and work email address. If preferred, you can log in using existing credentials by clicking on Log In and choosing the Google account associated with your Tome AI access. Upon logging in, explore the options available on the left side. These include tools for generating content and managing settings. Click on Generate with AR to start using Tome's generation capabilities. This feature allows you to input topics or prompts and relevant contents. As you navigate, you will encounter different subscription plans for Tome, including Tome Pro. Review these options to understand them. Begin your project by selecting a starting point. You can either begin with a blank canvas or input a specific topic or keyword, such as this, to explore any ideas. Customize your content creation experience by selecting specific prompts or writing tips offered by Tome AI. These resources can help refine and enhance the content you generate. Throughout the process, utilize Tome's AIs to solve your progress and continue refining your project as needed. Take time to explore other features within Tome AI, such as interactive elements and other options to maximize your content. Once satisfied with your project or demo experience, you can consider to upgrade to Tome Pro or saving your work. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.